Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable display notifications when job is accepted on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu. Now select the function settings and go to send. Here we need to go over to comment settings. And right here we will have it right at the bottom to display notification when job is accepted. So I always keep it on because I don't know if somebody's gonna hack me one day and it will just request a random job like printing something that is just wrong. And I always keep it on just to know what happens. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.